Okay, today I'll demonstrate how you could create and organize your new Google Classroom. First, click on the grid, scroll down, and click on the classroom icon. To create a new class, click on the plus sign and create a class. Name it accordingly. Add details where necessary. Now, to add students, click on the People tab and click on the icon Invite Students. Copy the list of your students' email and post it or paste it in this section. You will see search results of their email addresses. Click on it and click Invite. To add co-teachers, click on Invite Teachers and type their email addresses. And click Invite. Now to manage your class, go to the dashboard by clicking on Classes. Select the class that you want to manage and click on the triple dot to decide whether you want to move it, edit, copy, or archive. To move, choose the class that you want to move and drag it left or right. To change the name or other information about the class, click on Edit and make the necessary changes that you would like to do. If you're teaching the same class to a different group of students, just simply create a copy and change the descriptions accordingly. You can also delete a class by archiving it. Finally, if you want to restore a class, go to the left menu and restore the class from the archived classes. Now your class has been restored. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.